how does Bitcoin work on Cash App? Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to discuss how Bitcoin works on Cash App, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, as to how Bitcoin works on Cash App is very simple. You verify your account first, and then you go to Bitcoin. There's nothing sort of complicated thing. The only thing it offers you is trading Bitcoin, not other cryptocurrencies, just Bitcoin. So what are the things you can do? You can buy Bitcoin, you can get paid in Bitcoin, and if you have profit, you can also sell your Bitcoin. And also, if you have lost, then also you can sell it. So you just have to look at the current market value and so on. So if you want to view a price of one Bitcoin, you'll be able to see here. If you go here, you'll be able to buy Bitcoin for as little as $1. And then once you buy Bitcoin, after you verify your account, once let's say the value decreases for that, you can actually choose to also sell it, hopefully get a few dollars of profit if you'd like, and then you'll be able to get Bitcoin in that way. This is how Bitcoin works in Cash App. It's nothing sort of complicated. It's just that Cash App is also just one of those that does offer you this trading platform, but only for Bitcoin, not for other cryptocurrencies like Solana, Ethereum, BNB, and so on. Only for BTC, or better known as Bitcoin, which is obviously the most popular one. So hope this video helped you guys. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.